Hi friends, I'm Kelsey Rusnak. I am the daughter of owners Jay and Trisha Evans of Two Structures Homes. And today I am in the Louie floor plan and I want to tell you my favorite things about the Louie floor plan. So come along. Okay, so the first thing on my favorites about the Louie floor plan is the foyer. I love the foyer because it's like it welcomes you into the home. I just love the decorating opportunities in a foyer. Adding in a cute little console table with a piece of art or pictures of my family right here. I just think a foyer is a great greeting place for the visitors in your home. My second favorite thing about the Louie floor plan is the primary suite has this little nook that's perfect for a reading nook. So in this primary suite, you have this little nook off of the actual bedroom space. And I would put a chair, just like we staged it here, and I would put my favorite lamp. And that's where I would be with my book and my cup of tea in the evening after the kids have gone to bed. This is where you would find me. My third favorite thing about the Louie floor plan is the patio access from the primary suite. So if you have those fur babies, this is where they would be going in and out most of the time because mine like to sleep in my room and I don't like going all the way to the dining room to let them out. And my fourth favorite thing about the Louie floor plan is the pantry in the kitchen. I'm not a chef by any means, but I do love a good organized pantry, and this has endless possibilities. So much great storage in here, and you can actually like fully walk in to this pantry. I am all the way in here. It's a great space. Okay, so I thought that was gonna be my last favorite thing about this floor plan, but I found one more thing, and that is this drop zone that we put in right inside of the entry from the garage. So coming in from the garage, you have this great drop zone with the 2 cm quartz countertops, and we put an outlet here. This is where I would put my phone, my bag, and I would actually also charge all of our devices right there. And this would be our junk drawer. I love this space. It's great use of square footage. And that was 5 of my favorite things about the Louie floor plan. And if you loved those too, then this Louie floor plan might be the plan for you. So if you're looking to build a new home, or if you have a lot and you want to build a home on that lot, please give us a call. We'd love to help you through that process, and we'd love to help you customize this Louie floor plan for your family. Let me know in the comments below which of those 5 things was your favorite. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, friends. Bye.